So today we are going to make a rainy day. And we took pictures of you guys all holding the umbrellas, and those are all cut out. So when it all dries, I will glue your umbrella person on top. But today, right now, we need to make these beautiful rainy day backgrounds. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rainbow. And look, to make this super easy, we're going to just use brand new crepe oil pastels. But they need to go in the right order. So the first color I'm going to draw is my red, then my orange, then some yellow, then some green, then my blue, and then some purple. Now, if you notice, there are lots of different, there's like 2 different colors of purples, 2 different colors of blue. You can kind of pick which way you want to go. But I did my rainbow from one side over to the other. My next step is to do my rain. And this is going to be really hard to see on a video because I'm using a white crayon. So I'm just going to make some little dots, actually little lines. And as you're working on it, if you kind of tilt your head in the light, you can see where some of those lines are. So I'm going to fill my page with some little lines. Then down here at the bottom are going to be, have you ever watched a raindrop hit a puddle? It makes little ringlets. So I'm going to, and again, this is where it's hard to see. But where my water hits, it makes some little rings. So I'm doing a small circle and then bigger circles.
So kind of circles within circles.
So when I'm all done,
Lines look like little number ones.
when I'm all done and I have my raindrops and I have my rainbow, you're going to come over to the paint table. And this is my paint table. It is my paint table because I have all these awesome liquid watercolors right here. And there's going to be one paintbrush in each color. And the best thing about watercolors are watercolors bleed. And bleeding means they run together. So we're using a really good watercolor paper so it's nice and heavy. Oh, see, you can start to see my crayons on there. So after I all done, I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to spray it. And then I just want to dab. Oh, look at that. I just want to dab my colors where the water is. I got to be really careful that I put my paintbrush in the right color. There are different blues. Am I scrubbing back and forth? No. No. And I think right here I might not have had very much water. You know what? I'm done. Sometimes you don't want to do too much. I don't want to go back in there and go back and forth, because then it will, oh, see, there's a little spot that I missed. Oh my gosh, watch that. Isn't that awesome the way the colors just mix? I'm not doing anything to scrub. I'm just a little bit, oh, here's one of my favorite colors. Just add. So when you're done, you're just going to leave it on the board and it's going to dry flat so that next week it will look beautiful.
Beautiful like this one.
Yes.
Do you want me to pass out more?